So I realized that I am kind of blending in with the wall behind me, but I am plopping right now, so that is why there's a towel on my head. Hi guys, it's Rimi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video for you guys and girls out there that are trying to grow out your eyebrows, but no matter what you freaking do, it's not working. So a couple of days ago, I posted on my Instagram story. I kind of exposed myself, but I posted some not so cute pictures of what I used to look like, more specifically what my eyebrows used to look like back in high school. So I exposed myself to my followers on Instagram. Make sure you're following me. But I'm pretty sure those pictures got screenshotted, so I might as well expose myself here on YouTube as well. So let me just show you guys and prove to you how thin my eyebrows used to be, because I used to pluck the heck out of them back in high school. Back then, this was the trend though. All of the models and celebrities, this is how their eyebrows used to look. And I've always had super big bushy eyebrows, so tweezers were my best friend. Looking back, if I could tell my younger self one thing, it would be to put down the freaking tweezers, because I ruined my eyebrows for so many years, and believe it or not, my eyebrows refused to grow back. So in this video, I'm gonna share my 2-step super easy routine that I literally do every single day, and this is what saved my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so something that a lot of you guys might think is really weird, but I promise you this helps so much, is I deep condition my eyebrows. I take any deep conditioner. This is just the one that I actually used today when I was in the shower. It's the Melt Into Moisture by Diva Curl, and I just grabbed it really quick because it's in this little easy bottle. But I just take a little bit of deep conditioner and I just put it on my eyebrows, and I let it just sit there for like 3 to 5 minutes, like nothing too crazy, but the same way that you deep condition your hair, I deep condition my eyebrows, and I promise you, this little hack works so well. I don't know if it's just me, but I always notice that when my skin gets really dry, whether it's because of the weather or I'm not hydrated or whatever, that my eyebrows, like if I brush them out or something, like more hair comes out easier. So something that I think is so important is to keep your face obviously moisturized and hydrated, but also to keep that skin under your eyebrows hydrated as well. This is something I never thought to share on my channel before, but I'm so glad I'm sharing it now because it seriously works so much. Like, this is a game changer. If you are trying to grow your eyebrows back, just grab any deep conditioner and deep condition your eyebrows every time you shower and just watch them grow. All right, step 2. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen this little bad boy on my story before, and that's because I'm obsessed with this stuff. This is like magic in a bottle. If you are trying to grow out any facial hair, I'll say that. Like, guys, if you're watching, use this for your beards, because let me tell you, it helps grow out like some mustache for me, which is annoying. I originally got this just to add to my skincare routine until I freaking realized that this helps me grow out my eyebrows like crazy. I'm talking within a week, my eyebrows are growing back like crazy, and it's so amazing, but also so annoying because I'm like, can I just enjoy not plucking my eyebrows for 1 week, please? This is the Vitamin E oil from Trader Joe's, and it's so affordable. I think this is for like $6 from Trader Joe's, so it is so affordable. Go out and get you some, but I will say you need to keep it like in a little plastic baggie or just like any plastic wrapping or something, because the oil kind of gets all over the place. I don't know how, but it ends up making its way out of the bottle and it gets all over the place. I've put so many of my friends onto this stuff. If I find it online, I will link it down below for you guys. I put this all over my face. So basically what you want to do is take your moisturizer and then pour a couple of drops in this. I usually do like 3 to 4 drops, mix it with my moisturizer, and then just put it all over my face. I put it all over my eyes, my eyebrows, everywhere. And literally within a week, my eyelashes are growing out, my eyebrows are growing out, my mustache is growing out. Now, by the end of the week, am I looking like a hairy little monster? Yes. But are my eyebrows thick and poppin'? Yes. This little routine is what made my eyebrows finally start to grow back, so just give it a try. If you try it and you like it, make sure to let me know down below in the comments because other people like to see other people's reviews of things as well. So let's all just help each other out with that. But I am gonna do a little shameless plug here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I am always posting little hacks on my stories, so you don't want to miss them, so go follow me. Go do it. I really hope that these little tips and hacks help you guys out if you're trying to grow out some thick, beautiful eyebrows, eyelashes, mustaches, beards, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to join the fam and hit subscribe down below before you go. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!